YouTube, for today's video, it's gonna be the rear bumper. I don't have the actually video how can I, how you put this plastic under this cover, but I'm gonna show you just the basic stuff. Like the screws are 12 millimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4. There is another one. There's 2 more down here. There's 1 and 2. So you take those screws off and then you can remove this plastic. Also this is the sensors. I don't know, parking sensors. I don't know what that is. So luckily this one, it was intact. The whole piece, it was broken. The sensor, it was broken, so I'm just waiting for the parking sensor right there. And this side is the same thing. There's a, I don't know, sensor. I don't know. This is 1, 2, and 3. I'm missing 1. Same thing. There's 1 and 2. So that's basically it. There's no more. So what I noticed, I only have these wires. So I'm thinking going to the dealer and get the whole harness for the rear parking sensors or whatever it is. Because this thing not even has a block, so you can see all the wires. I'm gonna go to the dealer and ask for the whole harness. There's no another way. So I got this plastic covers. So I got it on eBay. It's brand new and fully paint. You just have to send the code of the paint and they paint it for you and send it to you. It's nice. I like it. So this is for the rear, for the left side. I mean, there it is. 1 clip, 2 clips. That's it. Got the other one right here. Same thing. Maybe I can do this one with one hand. Okay. And there it is. Like I said, I'm just waiting for the sensors, and I'm gonna go to the dealer if I say I can get the whole harness. Not the whole harness, just for the parking sensors. And I'm working. Finally, I'm working on something. Damn. Everything, it's out. Everything was damaged. Everything. I'm guessing just the only thing it was good is it was just, I'm not sure if this control arm works. I'm guessing not, because it's moving. It's moving like, you can wiggle. You're not supposed to move like this, move it like this. But that one is a little expensive for me right now, so I'm gonna just keep it for right now. The other thing it was good, it was the strut. The axle was gone. I had to get the axle, everything. So let me show you. Let's see. Whole thing is right here. It came out like this. No caliper. So just someone just put the fucking screws without the caliper. I don't know. maybe when I got the truck, they take care of whatever. See everything. You see the spindle looks like it's being overheat, like with the torch. You can see the different color to bend it back. I don't know, but it was all messed up. The lower control arm, this band is trash. The only thing, like you say, is this strut. Maybe I'm gonna put it for sale. Get some money back, you know. So there's the other one. And I already had a brand new lower control arm. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next video.